Hello doctors and parents, this is Vishnu Kansing. Welcome to in Admission Media. Today we're going to discuss about the NEET PG23 counseling latest update, that exactly when we can expect that your counseling can begin, approximately in which dates the counseling and the notification can come, as well as we're going to discuss about the latest update on regarding your next examination, that for which batch it will be and what are the latest update, and as well as we're going to discuss about the when exactly your PG24 batch can happen. Also we will be discussing in this video approximately in which month around your revised cutoff can come, as well as what can be the shift in your NEET PG23 counseling and what are the latest updates regarding your states counseling as well. So before that, if you haven't joined to our YouTube channel as well as our Telegram channel Admission Media, then do subscribe the both platforms, because whatever the latest updates and the PDFs of these details are continuously posted in our Telegram channel Admission Media, as well as we are trying to keep the updates on our Instagram platform, that is Admission Media also. So if you wish to join us and to follow us, you can follow us there also. Before that, अगर आपने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो do subscribe it, as well as if you're looking for a paid counseling guidance as well as the low budget management sheet or the NRI sheets, how to make the NRI documents, and even if you think you will be eligible after this revised cutoff, then how to proceed for the counseling, what can be the expected budget for the branches, and what can be the lowest possible budget on the behalf of your rank. For all these details, you can contact me on the given number below, that is 9545955519. So let's begin. Yesterday there was a program of our Honorable Health Minister in the AIIMS Raipur. He has clearly mentioned that next is not for the 2019 batch. Already in my previous video I have mentioned that all the candidates from the 2019 batch are trying to combine together and they are trying to make the strike and everything from the different institutes. The newses were also coming, but the big relief from our Honorable Health Minister has given to all the candidates, and he has clearly mentioned in his latest interview or the video, which was already posted on my YouTube channel as well as Telegram on the Instagram also. In that he has clearly mentioned that next is not coming for the 2019 batch, but next is coming from the 2020 batch. Means if you are a candidate from 2020, you will be giving next, but for the earlier batches, it will be not next, you will be giving only NEET PG. But he has also mentioned that one thing, that they are trying to convert NEET PG to the next, for 2019 batch, which they have clearly said that next is not for them, but they have to, they will be giving their university exam as well as they have to qualify in next one for their document, for their registration. Matlab ki if you will be having a degree of MBBS, but your registration won't be mentioned till you clear till you clear the next one examination, which simply means that most probable chances, as we are already speaking in our previous videos, that they are mainly planning to convert NEET PG to the next one itself, and university exam most probably it will be as like it was earlier also. So let's see what exactly happens, how they are planning to, till the notification comes, there is no update that exactly how they are planning next one and next two, because till now as we have seen NMC is itself in dilemma that how they are planning to do, and there is no clear notification, there is nothing like that, and there itself seems to be confused at what exactly they are trying to do. But the big relief is for 2019 batch, that you won't be giving the first next one, that is you will be giving only NEET PG. As well as if I talk that exactly when your NEET PG 24 happen, means the big news is here that in PG 2024 all the candidates will be giving NEET PG, not next one. Next one is from 2020 batch, so that will be next year, or it can be somewhere around May to the November, as they have already published in the webinar part. But big thing is that next is for them only. All the 2019 and the previous batches will be giving NEET PG itself. NEET PG can happen somewhere around, as per the earlier notification, it can happen somewhere around January to February itself, because there is a very clear statement since the government or since the NMC official and everything. Even the NEET PG 23 postponement didn't happen, because they were continuously saying one thing, that they have to bring down the academic session and the track record of the everything as per it was previous years, as it was before the COVID era. So most probably your NEET PG 24 examination can happen somewhere around January to February itself. So all the candidates who are planning to take a drop, or they are going for the counseling as well as thinking to take a drop, they can start your preparation and they can prepare yourself as per the latest information, and as per the examination date can somewhere around December end to the January, and most probably it can't be way beyond the February or March itself. So it will be somewhere around December and January or the February itself, because they have to bring down the academic session on as usual as it was before the COVID era. So you can plan your preparation and plan your things as per that. Now if I talk about the what's the latest updates regarding on NEET PG 23 counseling, the MCC website, which was continuously down since 2 to 3 days, has already back on the track. The website is continuously opening now onwards, and the interface has been changed for UG, PG, MDS as well as super specialty counseling. So we can expect in within the next week itself, or most probably within 1 or 2 days, chances are low, but most probably within the next week, your notification regarding some counseling updates can be also published. Earlier they have already published a notification regarding the PWD certification, in which they have mentioned the centers where you can get your certificate of PWD through online mode also. So if you are a PWD candidate and if you haven't made your certificate, then do made it. As well as all the states are already declaring their the West Bengal has already did. UP has already mentioned a clear notification regarding your PWD certificate. So we can expect somewhere around within next week the notification or the proper notification regarding your counseling can be expected. Telangana has already opened their registration form, the counseling fees and everything I have already explained in my previous video. The fee structure has not been released. NMC bill, there is no update regarding it. Bihar has already cleared the NMC bill. Rajasthan, there is no update. Telangana, no update. Andhra, again no update. Tamil Nadu has already, there was an article which was already stated by us in the previous video, that they are around 400 to 500 seats from the open quota seat will be converted to the government. But in their prospectus, they haven't mentioned anything. Even if you look at the prospectus for the management seat, I mean the open category seats for the other state, the eligibility criteria is mentioned from the last year itself. The eligibility criteria for general is 221 for this session, but in their prospectus they have mentioned 275 itself. So they haven't did any changes there. They had copied and pasted from the last year itself. So much big changes can be expected. What can be the latest fee structure, and those details will be continuously shared on our all the platforms. So do join it, as well as if you're looking for a low budget management seat, private seat, or the NRI seat, or even if you're looking for assistance in your NRI document, how to make it and how to do this, for all those details you can contact me on the given number below, that is 9545955519. As well as if I talk about the revised cutoff, the new revised cutoff will be published after the All India Round 2, as it happened in the last year also. The revised cutoff was published after the All India Round 2 counseling was over. The joining was ongoing, the state's counseling was about to start. At the meantime, they published the revised cutoff. In this session, it can be expected the same thing. Before All India, before states round 2, the revised cutoff can be expected, but after All India round 2 it will be published only. It can't be happen like the before the All India round 2 it happened. It won't be happening like that. Before the mop-up round of All India, the revised cutoff will be there. What can be the expected revised cutoff? First thing. Second, what can be the expected branch wise cutoff? We'll be publishing in our next video, so do join it for this latest video. That in the other video, the latest video of ours, we're going to discuss about the what can be the 50% All India expected cutoff for each branches under the each category. So do join our platform or Admission Media on YouTube, social media, that is Facebook and Instagram also, as well as on our Telegram channel, because whatever the PDFs and other details will be continuously shared there. As well as if you having any query or any question regarding your counseling or the seats or anything, you can contact me on the given number below. This is it in this video. See you in another. Thank you so much for watching this video.